Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big red button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play it by using the center button. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.